Hello, welcome to Leeds Recovery College. This session is on nourishing bodies and minds and how to refuel when we don't feel like eating. So let's talk about how to refuel when we don't have an appetite. Our appetite can fluctuate, and there are times when we don't seem to feel full and others when we don't feel like eating. If we're feeling particularly stressed, overtired, or physically unwell, our appetite can change. But for some, a loss of appetite and a lack of interest in food can be a result of how you feel and how your mental health is. And this can lead to poor choices and feeling guilty about what we do eat. So in this live online workshop, we'll look at foods that support our health and well-being. We'll consider some straightforward nourishing snacks for when thinking about eating and cooking a meal is difficult. We can share ideas and tips for simple eats when you don't have the appetite or the motivation, and we can discuss what support and self-help resources are available. So this workshop is delivered in partnership with Dietitians from the Leeds and York Partnership Trust, and my name is Kate and I'm a dietitian in the Trust, and we have some volunteers with us as well.
Hi, I'm Willow. I'm one of the volunteers with the Recovery College, and I'm going to be taking part in this workshop as I have a history of eating disorders which affect kind of my appetite, and I quite often feel that I don't want to eat even though I know I should, and that's why I'm taking part today.
Hi there, my name's Ruth and I'm one of the Recovery College coordinators. I wanted to be involved with this course today as Willow has, I'm in recovery from anorexia and sometimes struggle with keeping to a meal plan and having a poor appetite. So I wanted to be involved to share how I keep myself refueled.
So I hope you can join us in our session and we look forward to seeing you there.
So if all that makes you think that it sounds really great and that you'd like to enrol, you can find all the information for the contact details, which will follow on the screen in a second. But if you have a look at the leedsrecoverycollege.com, everything what you need to know is on there as well. So we really hope you'd like to come along and join us on this course. Bye.
Bye.